How to change your number in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So changing your WhatsApp number is very simple. If you have used or if you started using a new SIM or a new phone number but you want to link the old WhatsApp to your new account, what you will have to do is tap on this three dot line from your top right corner. After that, go to settings, then go to account. Now here you will see an option of change number. Tap on it. After that, enter a new number. Your old number and your new number will be visible there. And then all you have to do is tap on the change number button. You will get a verification code and the number will be changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.